The Multicare Youth Foundation, MYF, is actively recruiting mentors to aid Jamaica's youth in the career advancement program in underserved schools and communities. Tanisha Stoney is the project manager for the Multicare Youth Foundation, and Chanel Hall is a mentee from the Transitional Living Program for Children in State Care Project. Good morning. Welcome to Smile Jamaica.
Good morning, Delia.
How are you both?
We're good.
Awesome. Tanisha, I'm going to start with you. For those who don't know about the program, tell me, what are its goals and objectives?
Okay, so our new program, dubbed Youth for Tomorrow, our goal for this program is to have the target population to empower them and reduce what we call their risk factors. So they will be screened and assessed using a tool, a youth targeting tool by the Citizen Security and Justice Program, CSJP. Will be using that tool to determine what their risk levels are. And then the aim of the program is to reduce those risk levels, to reduce the propensity to being engaged in crime and violence, to empower them to reach their truest potential. So
Are these youth in a specific area or right across Jamaica?
St. Catherine, St. James, and Kingston and St. Andrew, we will be targeting 10 schools and 4 remand centers.
All right. Chanel, sometimes we hear about these programs, and because we can't put a story to it, we don't hear about the successes. Sometimes people think, do these things really work? You've gone through the transitional program. For you, what was the journey like?
All right, so for me, the journey was a bit different from what I'm used to. So first of all, the matching with the mentor is like a mind-blowing thing, because you get to get familiar with all the mentors that are available, and you get to see the different personality, and you get to really choose someone that you realize that you really mesh with and fit perfectly with. And then it's like you're saying, whoa, so these are the type of personality that I have as well. And then you start seeing yourself in that person, and it's just a wonderful feeling, because then you have someone to now look up to and to keep you on track and to advise you in the best way possible, especially in your career development, where they're able to even if they're not with the career that you want to go into, they still have tips that they can give you, because they're like studying tips, ways how to get certain things done. Even with networking, they're able to go ahead and get like link you with somebody in your particular career goal and help you out in way, and not even to be so informal ways where you guys go out and have fun and eat some food and just talk about things in life.
Tanisha, it really sounds like a wholesome experience, and I like that, because sometimes people hear mentoring and they think it's just very didactic. You're going to call the person, this is what you do, this is how you behave, let me see your resume. But it really is about the social welfare as well, and forming that kind of bond with the mentee, yes?
Yes, it's a very interactive process from the starting of our training. Chanel spoke about the matching session. It's like speed dating, where the mentee sits at the table with the 15 other mentors, and they speak with the mentors, and they get to select someone that there's a spirit tech, there's some gel, there's some commonality, and that person is with them for 1 year, guiding them through their personal and professional goals. So it is fun. We have a mentor journal and a mentee and mentor handbook that will tell you of fun places you can go. And we encourage our mentee and our mentor to have at least one on a monthly basis to see your mentor at least once. So
Yeah.
you meet up someplace fun with your mentee
Yeah.
at least once per month.
All right. What are the requirements? So far, I've heard you have to have a commitment, a year-long commitment to the
Yes.
project. That's one of the things. And so tell me, what are the other things? If people are watching and they're thinking, could I be a good mentor? What are some of the things you're looking for?
So apart from having just a good heart and being of service and wanting to empower someone and to make that positive change in someone's life, you have to have a police record. That's for start. We're going to be doing some background checks. You will have to have at least 2 letters of recommendation or references. We ask that you complete an application form online, and you will have to go through a very rigorous screening or somewhat like an interview process.
All right. Chanel, for those who are also watching, what would you say to people who are considering joining the program? What would you say to someone who is thinking, should I be a mentor? What difference has this mentorship program made to you?
Well, for someone who is thinking about becoming a mentor, I would say to them, just go for it, because you get to especially if you're not a mother as yet, you get to be that mother for the mentee, and you basically you guys are helping each other. So it's not only you helping the mentee, but it's also you learning from the mentee as well. And you get to realize and see things that you think probably you would have done better because you're older, you have the experience, and you passing on that experience to us, the mentees, would help us to not make certain mistakes as well.
Yeah.
And yeah, so I would say just go for it, because it's not like teaching and you're going in front of a class with a lot of students with different personality. No, you're getting that mentee that suits your personality, that match your spirit. You guys vibe together and you just create a relationship. Sometimes it's so unbreakable that it even goes beyond that one
Yeah.
year.
All right. Tanisha,
Yes.
it is about sharing experiences. Before we go, I know Chanel came through the transitional program. The mentors that you're asking for now are specifically for the Youth for Tomorrow program?
Correct, Delia. It's a new project we have on board here, funded by the USAID, implemented through the FHI 360 Family Health International. It's our new baby. We just started September 1st, and we want to recruit at least 140 mentors
All right, so
for this project.
140 mentors and Youth for Tomorrow targets at-risk male youth. Listen, we talk up all the time about crime and violence and how can we solve it, and this is a great way to use your life experience to change a life. So please volunteer to be a mentor. Thank you so much, Tanisha and Chanel, for speaking with
Thank you
us.
for having us, Delia.
Tanisha Stoney, Project Manager for the Multicare Youth Foundation, and Chanel Hall, Mentee from the Transitional Living Program for Children in State Care. Coming up, stories of persistence. We'll be right back.